We've been in this store here for 20 years, almost exactly, and we originally were in Mass Ave in Cambridge since 1968. To survive, I have to do something totally different from what the business originally was. This was originally a typewriter rental company, and that basically evaporated. There were 4 typewriter companies in Cambridge at one time, and overnight we were the only one left. And my friend Teddy, who was the owner's son who worked here, asked me one day, he said, you want to come and work for my dad, learn how to fix typewriters? So I came in one day and tried it, and it was just one of those things that clicked. They hired me, and it's been 30 years. It's like one of the first things you see when you come into my house is this machine. And I like different machines for different reasons. Combination of classic looks and just the right touch and sound. The sound's actually key. You know, it's got that nice clackety-clack sound, or the certain, pitch of the bell at the end. It just, gives you this nice feeling.